Hello, good morning again. This is Lala Vlog. Wala na tayong RDL. May good news sisimutin natin. Sayang. Wala na. Saan tinatamad akong kumuha ng bago eh. Morning daddy ko. Inom tayo ginseng guys. Ayan. Ginseng. Shout out viewers. Good morning again. This is Lala Vlog saying mabuhay from Philippines guys. Shout out from Morocco, our Korean and Canada, Europe. Charot. My tough fans na fall.